I think you already seen in earlier videos that I'm not a gifted drone pilot. I'm always afraid of crashing the drone, the most expensive camera in my small arsenal. However, 2 videos ago, I became a bit overconfident and I wanted to film my return home by sending the drone ahead. That ended in a total loss. Now that I've replaced the drone with a more expensive model featuring collision avoidance all around, I made some practice and test flights today. The temperature was within the limits, one of the factors that contributed to my previous loss. But one of the issues around my house is that there are significant flight restrictions. I think this is a remnant from the Cold War. Nevertheless, I can fly at limited altitude above my own property, where I have set up a small course between the different buildings, which also serves as a playground for my grandchildren. A hand-flown circuit revealed that the drone comes dangerously close to the smaller tree branches, just how I crashed the previous. I also held my breath on the parking lot. Next, I set the drone to autopilot and took a follow me walk to my mailbox, located 200 meters away. I kept checking it from time to time because my confidence is still very low after the crash, but it worked. I think I need to find a safe place to do more practice flights and get more familiar with the drone. Due to the restrictions, I can't do that in the immediate area. My familiarity with the terrain and the thick layers of snow will require some driving to find a suitable spot.